Hello, my name is Stephanie Jones. I'm a rehab assistant and a lead administrator at Elite Sports Injury, and I took the rehab assistant program at MITT. Before MITT, I would say that my life was a bit chaotic. I wasn't very confident, and my mental health was pretty low. I hit a spot in my life where I needed to turn things around, I needed to find myself, and I just wanted to kind of get that jump start into the next chapter of my life. My student ID. This person in this photo is very shy, even though there's a smile. Shy, nervous, but excited at the same time. MITT provided me with a safe, welcoming, supportive environment that allowed me to, I would say, find myself and grow into the person that I am today, which for me, I'm personally proud of the individual I am today. MITT also helped me with the hands-on piece of my job, as well as the behind-the-scenes communication. My last practicum I did at Elite in the summer of 2022, just before graduating. And then I was hired at Elite a month later in September of 2022. At Elite, I demonstrate exercise with clients, I apply and remove therapeutic applications, and I communicate with staff as well as clients. The thing I like about my job is helping people and just seeing the progression of the clients from the beginning of their treatment to the end of their treatment.